I'm Rebecca and I joined Stacey's Fermenting course because I didn't know very much about fermenting and I really wanted to find out more about like the good bacteria and how it could help my family. I'm a busy mum like we all are. I work full time, I've got 2 little kids, but I've just found this course so great. Stace is so knowledgeable and she's so enthusiastic. It's really infectious and it's got me really excited about fermenting. And that all the recipes have been really easy to follow, so anyone could really do them. I've gotten so much out of it. I've started regularly making sauerkraut. As you can see, my family smashed through that one. The kombucha we are just loving. We're drinking so much of it that I've actually split my SCOBY that I got from Stace in 2. So now I've got 2 amazing brews going, which we are loving. One of the great things has been our my sourdough starter, which is just loving life, and we are just loving the sourdough plus all the extra things you can make with sourdough. We're having sourdough crumpets, sourdough pancakes, sourdough cookies, sourdough focaccia. It's been incredible. And then we're drinking coconut water kefir as well, plus gummies and fermented carrots and fermented honey and garlic. It's been amazing. And there's so much more for the course that I'm still excited about trying, things I haven't got into yet. So I totally recommend the course. It's been absolutely worth it. And I hope you have as much fun as I did. Bye.